We're headed towards something really cool. Don't think you can see it yet, but you will. Getting closer.
We've never anchored around a wreck before, so we were stressing out about trying to find the right position and where to go and how much anchor to put down and how to not be too close to the other boats. So this video won't have the pretty sea life, but it will have a rundown on how we figured out what to do and what not to do.
All right, we snorkeled the Sapona wreck and we saw turtles and fish and all sorts of other really amazing things. Had lunch. Yacht still yet? Yep. There's a big old yacht behind us, but other than that, we basically had it to ourselves. About an hour after we landed, everybody else moved out. Is it us? No. But if you want to see beautiful underwater videos of the Sapona wreck, there's a bunch of them out there. But my take on it is we didn't really know where to anchor, so we're kind of far away from it, and there's a current. So when we swam from here all the way over there, it was great, but then when we swam from there all the way back to here, it was a workout. And there was another catamaran, a Lagoon actually, and they anchored like right there. And we're like, they're right on top of it. But it actually, we know they're locals because we've seen them doing ASA teaching classes on their lagoon up in North Bimini. So we know whoever owns that kind of knows the area, and they anchored like literally probably 50 feet from the wreck itself. And I think that was actually a good idea. So we came around like the south side of the wreck and looped up, and we kind of anchored right in the middle, but farther upwind of everybody because we wanted to make sure we weren't like, too close or rude or anything. But man, what a swim back. We were beat fighting the current. And I do know that the currents here can get pretty swift, especially through these cuts and stuff. And I was really worried at one point that we wouldn't even be able to get back onto the boat. And the Reboot looks so far away when you're like way over here next to the Sapona. It was a little scary, but we did it, and we're gonna pull up anchor, fingers crossed that it's not on a rock or anything, and it comes up fine, and we are headed back to our marina for the evening because we need water, and I need to do laundry. See you out there.
Thanks for watching. I make these videos for me, but I also make them for you, so please subscribe.